Honestly, it is hard to calculate how cheap this build is. Mostly because almost everything here is used. The frame is new, but 30 bucks? TBS Lucid Stack used, Vista used, even the motors still good, but definitely not new anymore. So how cheap can we go before it becomes stupid? Okay, alright, let's install an analog video system here. Huh? Old school? Controversial topic? Let's go. Alright, first thing first, the digital VTX has to go. Give me a couple of minutes for it. If you are familiar with digital FPV system, installation is usually simple. You just connect your VTX to the flight control through the plug. Analog is a little different. We need soldering iron here. And analog video consists of camera and video transmitter VTX, which are integrated through the flight control to display OSD telemetry. Camera powered plus and ground is connected to the appropriate pins. 5-volt back, and the video out wire goes to the cam or video in pin of the flight controller. VTX powered plus ground is connected to the pins with desired voltage 9 volt, 12 bat. The video in wire connected to the VTX or video out pin of the flight controller. And the smart audio control pin connects to the 3TX port on the FC. Easy, right? Now let's show me what I picked for this setup. So now, without further delay, let's put all of this together. Shall we? Tanya? Tanya, shall we?
Yes, sure.
Okay, speaking about this drone, this build, I know this is not the cleanest setup in the world, but if you want to save some money, cheap doesn't mean bad, right? There are some options, there are some compromises. By the way, speaking about save money, I will leave a link in the description. Hobby, the whole product on the site, 10% off, CNHL batteries and secure electronics as well. Moreover, nowadays it's absolutely great stuff.